In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to Wix. This is a fantastic way to showcase your creative designs directly on your website, providing a seamless interaction between your visual content and your online presence. Whether you're showcasing a portfolio, marketing materials, or any other visual content, integrating Canva into Wix can elevate your website's presentation effortlessly. Let's begin by heading over to Canva. Open the design that you want to feature on your Wix site. This could be anything from a stunning infographic, a unique logo, or an engaging presentation. Once you have your desired design open, look for the Share button located at the top right corner of your Canva dashboard. Click on Share, and then select Embed from the drop-down menu. This action will generate an embed code unique to your design. Take a moment to copy this embed code, as it will be crucial for the next steps. Now let's switch gears and head over to your Wix website. Open your Wix editor, which could either be the standard Wix editor or Wix Studio, depending on which version you're using. Navigate to the exact page where you want to showcase your Canva design. It's important to think about where this design will make the most impact. Consider placing it on a prominent page where visitors will notice it immediately. Within the Wix editor, you will need to add an embed element to your page. To do this, look for the Embed or Embed a Widget Custom Code option under the Add Elements or Add Plus section of the editor. If you're browsing through the different options, focus on locating the term Embed, as this will lead you to the right tool. Once you've found the correct element, paste the Canva embed code directly into it. This step should seamlessly integrate your Canva design into the selected page. Now, it's time to adjust it to fit your page layout perfectly. Use the resize functions and position tools to make sure your design is displayed exactly how you envisioned it. You might want to align it with other elements on the page to ensure a cohesive and professional look. Before finalizing your changes, it's essential to preview your page with the Canva design in place. This will give you a clear view of how everything appears once published. Additionally, don't forget to check the mobile version of your site to ensure that the design is responsive and looks great on smaller screens. Sometimes adjustments are needed specifically for mobile viewing to maintain clarity and usability. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Canva to Wix, bringing your creative visions to life on your website. This simple yet powerful integration will surely capture the attention of your visitors. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your website design journey.